Good morning, my lovers. I'm back out on my field where I found my white whale. Woohoo! And I've come back and I'm going to grid search the entire area looking for some more. Yes, I could do with 3 or 4 more of those white whales. Oh, looks like a coin. Possibly. It's out already. That's a good stroke of luck considering it's about to pedal down. Right, can I see there she blows. Didn't expect it to jump out as quick as that. Huh. Good day to you, Mom. Oh yeah, it's another one of them portcullis 1960s? Yeah, 1960. Threepenny bit, 3p. Oh, I can feel rain going down the crack of my arse. Right, on to the next. Oh, that was coming down quite hard at one point. It's going away now. Got a big black cloud up there. Yeah, it's going now, thankfully. And get back to detecting. Sun's out. Let's find some treasure. Oh, I got a signal down here. Oh. Eh? Nothing on the screen. $12.36. Could be a coin. Ah, it is a coin. I can see it. Just there. Should I whack it? No, I don't think so. Ah, good day to you, Mom. Right, I'll get this cleaned up and I'll get back to you. Oh, there she blows. Finding all the coins here, aren't I? Victorian pennies. All seem to be Victorian pennies. What's the date on this one? 1863. I wonder what famous event was happening in 1863. Right, on to the next. Oh, I didn't film this one because I thought it was going to be a bit of rubbish. But I'm not so sure now. Is it a pipe tamper? Got a flat end. It might be a pipe tamper. Or it might be something else. Oh, it might not be a pipe tamper at all. It might be something completely different. Right, I'll clean that up. It's got gold coloured. Ooh. I'll clean that up and I'll get back to you. Right, there it is. Now it's got these dents going down the side. In places, there's dent there. Looks like it might have had writing on it or something at some point. It was gold plated. And inside, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. There is a thread on the inside. But this side goes in a little bit and then stops. So, looks like it had something on the end there, glue or something. So I don't know. It is curious. See the little dents? Right, on to the next. Oh, I got something down here. Not much on the screen. $12.42. Could be a coin. I reckon it's a coin. Right there. Oh, I've had more rain. Oh, it's filling up with water again. Oh, there, I can see it. I can see it. Oh, it's going to be toasted. Oh, might have something on this one. Might have something on this one. Right, I'll give it a quick rub and I'll get back to you. Oh, I can just make out a head facing to the right. So I think it's King George III. Right, on to the next. This was an iffy signal on the surface, but I reckon I got a coin ball. There's something in here. Right, let's crack it. Oh, I can see something. Oh, is it a rim-fired casing? It is. There's the dent, look. Ooh, rim-fired bullet casing. On to the next. Sweet! 1346. 1246. It could be silver. Oh, a hoard of silver coins. Right, see what it is. Oh, can't see any silver at the moment. Oh, something's just jumped out. Something's just jumped out. Doesn't look very silver though, which is a shame. Oh, right. Is it gonna have any meat on this one? Oh, it might have. It might have some meat. Right, I'll get back to you. Oh, there she blows. King George III. It says down the bottom there, look, 1807, I think it says, isn't it? 1807 or 1806. One of the two. And there's Britannia on the back. The reverse, or the rear, whichever. On to the next. I was having such a good time, I forgot to turn the camera on. Oh, and I got it. Here it is. It's a little key of some description. There's some writing on the top, but it's unlegible now it's dried out, so I'm going to get it wet. So I can get it wet on this wet grass down here. That's better. You can see it a bit better now. What's that say? Pen cumin? C-U-I-V, or is it H-V? Could be H-V or W. Oh. Oh, I can't see it again now. Oh. Anyway, I'm sure you can see it better than me. Right, on to the next. We've got a nice signal down here. Whoa, 1231. Could be gold. Oh, right, gold. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Gold. Oh. Yeah. Where is it to? Oh, it's over there. Right. Yeah. Get off. Get off. Right. Oh, right, let's try that. Oh, still down there. Getting really deep. Oh, let's try that. Still down there. I'll get there eventually. Right, let's cut round it a bit. Don't want to hit it. Oh. Oh, I can see greenness. I can see green. Oh. Right there. Oh, is that the impression though? Yeah, that was the impression. Right. And it's one of that green colour that could be interesting green colour. It's the interesting green colour. When things go that sort of luminous greeny turquoisey colour, it might mean that it's something really nice. Right. Oh, there it is. There's that green. But where's the object? Ah, there it is. It's popped out. Right, what's that? That colour. That's the colour you want to look for, that sort of turquoise colour. Right, could mean it's something really old. Ooh. Something really old like Saxon. Oh, is that Saxon? I've seen pictures of these kinds of buckles, and that shape could mean this is a really old buckle. Right, I'm going to see if I can find the pin, because obviously the pin's missing. There's a little groove that would have gone in. Right, that could be really old. Yeah, I think it might be really old. Couldn't find the pin, but you see these marks, look? There's some decoration on there. I've got this schmooze over most of it, unfortunately. But yeah, there's these lines of decoration on there. This could be a 1,000-year-old buckle. Woohoo! See that turquoisey sort of colour? That's the colour you want. Right, I'm going to go and check with the landowners now, because they got a computer in their house. And I'm going to see if they can look up Saxon buckles. Go, I got a banging signal down this hole. It's a bit high up here though. I reckon it's possible that it could be a CCR. CCR. That's what I'm going with. Oh, no, I can see it. It's not a CCR. Oh, that's unusual. I got it wrong. What is it? There it is. It's a bit of a hinge. Oh, it had some gold plate on it at one time. It's a little hinge. And it had gold plate. Oh, there's a hole there. Right, don't know what that is. Right, on to the next. Oh, I got a bit of silver here, I reckon. 1244. Oh, 1246-ish. Oh. Oh, I can see an impression. I can see an impression just there. It don't look silverish though. It's gone down the hole. It's down the hole somewhere. I can't see it. Where is it to? Right, you can see the impression, unless it's fallen out somewhere. Can't see it anywhere. It must have fallen. Huh? Oh, there it is, right in the sidewall. Oh, what's this? Oh, actually got a bit of meat on this one. Got a bit of meat on it. Yeah, it's Britannia. Let's give this one a rub on the magic trousers. Be transformed into a gleaming coin. Oh, I can see a head. Is it Queen Victoria? Right, I'm going to give this a bit of a clean up and I'll get back to you. He blows. 1838. Good day to you, Mom. And on the back, There's Britannia with her pitchfork. Right, lovely jubbly. I think it's a farthing. On to the next. Oh, we got a nice signal down this hole. Coin. It's a bit windy today. The wind's getting up again. I thought it was going to die down a bit, but no, it's back again with a vengeance. Right there. Can't see anything. Oh, what's up there? Can you see something? No. Thought I could see something then. But no. Alright, let's try that. It's right in there. Oh! What's that? Shh! What's that there? Can I see an edge? I can! I can see an edge! Oh! Oh, it's a big coin. Or is it a dandy button? Don't know. Is it a coin or a great big dandy? It's quite large. Right, I'm going to see if I can clean this up and get back to you. Oh, I think it's a huge dandy button. You can see the mark on the back there, look. It's come off. Right, on to the next. Oh, I got a banging signal here. Banging. Oh, I can see something. I can see something. Oh, it's one of those things. It's a mouse's sluice. It's a mouse sluice. It's probably some sort of farming equipment. But inside there's like little grooves going that way. And something to do with farming. I expect Dave Baker will know. Oh, I got something down here. $12.35. There's something in here. Oh, what's that? Is that a coin ball? It looks like a coin ball to me. Right, let's get my glasses off. Oh, what's that there? I can see it rim. Oh, can I see gold? I can see a bit of gold there. Oh, is it a watch? Is it a watch? What's left of someone's watch? That might be where that dial came from I found the other day. It's part of a pocket watch. Funny how you get bits of pocket watch, don't you, in the fields? Oh, it's falling apart. Bits of pocket watch all over the place. Right, we've got a banging signal down here. Whoa. Banging signal, this one. Could be something really nice. Oh, what's that down there? Doesn't look very nice. Is it a whirligig? Well, if it is, it's a bit skew. Yeah, it's a piece of lead with 2 holes in it. But it's a bit sort of off centre. You know, whirligigs are usually round, aren't they? Oh, this was a bit of an iffy signal on the surface, but I found it as soon as I pulled the clot out. There she blows. It's a harmonica reed. Oh, I'm going to learn to play one of these one day. properly like. I can produce my own music with the videos. On to the next. Oh, I thought I'd give it a go with the super big coil. My arm's starting to feel a bit better now. Right, hopefully this will be something nice. Yeah, I strained my arm when I was doing that field with the long grass. It was wet and heavy, and I strained my arm a bit. Oh. So I thought I'd give it a few days with the smaller coil. Right, so this out. 12:29 is a banging signal now. It's a bit iffy on the surface. Right, what have I done with... left me pinpointer somewhere. I'll be back in a minute. Got it! Oh! It's in there. Oh, it's in my hand. It's in my hand. Oh. Huh. So just drop it. I did. Oh, there it is. It is. Oh, is it? Yep, it is. It's an umbrella slide. That's what it is. With those little grooves. On to the next. Oh, the sun's getting closer to the horizon. It'll be down soon. Getting towards the end of the day. It's a bit iffy. Could be a hammy. Oh, yeah. Sun's touching the horizon. Oh, oh. A bit jumpy with them power lines overhead, but it's down here somewhere, methinks. Could be deep, could be deeper. Right. Right, let's try that. It's my pinpointer gone. Right there. On the side wall. Oh, did I see a bit of dark soil then? I might have done. Yeah, still down there. Oh, pesky, shut up. up. Still down there. Oh, must have it by now. Yes. I've got it out. It's out. No. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's not a pesky button, is it? All that for a pesky button? Give it a quick rub on the magic trousers. Oh, shank just broke. Yeah, nothing on it. Ugh, all that for a pesky button. I got a lovely signal down here. $12.30. Ooh, gold. Still down there. Right. Let's get the pin pointer down the hole. Right there. Oh, I saw something, and it looked like a hammy. Oh, where'd it go? Is it a hammy? Oh, I saw something. Where's it gone? Oh, it's in there. It's in there. I don't know, it looks green now. It looks green. Oh, that's a bit different, actually. What's that? What's this? What is this? Oh, let's get my glasses off for this one. What is that? Let's get the mud off a bit carefully. Oh, it says Bristol. It says Bristol. Bristol. Oh, it's not a Bristol farthing, is it? Because if it is, it's in mint condition. Let's try this side. It is. It's a Bristol farthing. Look at the condition. Woohoo! Right, give it a light rub on the magic trousers. Look at that. Right, I'm going to get this cleaned up and get back to you. Look, 52. See that? That's because where it says 52, the other number's going to say 1552. God, look at that. It's mint. Mint. Wow. Right, let's get this cleaned up. Look at that. It is mint. 1652. Bristol farthing with 2 L's. Bristol with 2 L's. Couldn't spell very well, could they? I have never found one like this. Never. There you are, that Bristol with 2 L's. And the ship on it, there's a ship in the middle, and it's a little bit rubbed. But yeah, look at that. That is mint. Right, 2 fines today for the fines liaison officer. A buckle, possibly Saxon, and one, the best Bristol farthing I've ever found. 1652, not 1552. But look at that. That's a stunner. Right, I'm going to pack up now, and then I'm going to come back to this place in the field and go over it again later on. But the weather's going to be bad for the next few days, so I don't know when. Lovely jubbly. God, what a day, my lovers, what a day. Two fines for the fines liaison officer. The buckle I'm not sure about. It might not be that old, but it's verging on being pretty old, that buckle. And as for the Bristol farthing with 2 L's, wow, that was one hell of a finish to the day, that was. The sun's almost down, it's getting dark, and I'm going to head off to the pub for a few jars again. Cheers!
Gently drops the rain.